Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated, your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, yeah. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. Babe, it's been 5 years since that special day when I asked you on our first date. I guess it's safe to say that you and I are better than Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, yeah. And you and I are better than Aladdin and Jasmine. We made it happen, singing la 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 la. La 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 la. Say you look so beautiful on our wedding day.
Ginawa ko to ng maaga kasi para isi-CD ko to eh. At yung balak ko, hindi ko pa siya isi-CD. Taning last, tatapos na. April 4, 5:44 PM. Di ka pa online eh. Kaya, try kong mag-record nila. Actually, video to eh. But, gusto ko record kasi ayoko nang makita yung mukha ko, yung pangit-pangit ko eh. Di ka online ngayon eh, kaya naisipan ko, tapusin na to. Actually, bukas ko po to tatapusin eh, pero ngayon ko natatapusin para tomorrow, i-burn ko na lang. Sanjil, sarange, kamsahamnida. I love you. And pag pumunta ka na ng Korea, huwag mo akong kakalimutan. Kasi hindi kita kakalimutan kasi di ba ako yung future wife mo? And ikaw yung future husband ko. Tapos, dami-dami pa natin plan about sa life natin, di ba? So, makakalimutan na nandito lang ako lagi. Pagpunta na ng Korea, tawagan mo lang ako kahit anong time. Tawagan mo ko, okay lang sa akin yan. Kaso, nalulungkot ako kasi pupunta ka na, wala ng kiss, wala ng hug. Basta maraming mawawala pagka pupunta na ng Korea eh. Pero, isang hindi ang mawawala. Isa ang yung hindi mawawala. Yung love, yung trust. I love you. And then, thank you for being there when I needed a shoulder to lean on, for patiently listening to my personal problems. And I just want you to know how happy am I have you in my life. And I thank God for that. And thank you for love and joy you bring. And you're the only boyfriend who gives me love, some excitement and thrills. When I meet you, I feel like I'm so happy. You told me how to handle life seriously. You told me how to solve my problems and to face it without any fear. I know that when I say I love you, you admit it. And I know that when you say you love me, and I mean it, that I've fallen for you. I know that I wouldn't shed any tears from now on. I love you, and thank you because you make me laugh every day, every second of my life, and you make me laugh when I can find anything to smile about. You make sure we share everything we need together, laughing and talking about our plans, talking about future and our relationship. And thank you for being you. And I love you, and that's what I want to burn in your mind, and it's gift for you. And I love you. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Dito na lang kasi ang haba-haba na to, pero yun ang masasabi ko. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much. You're and only yours, Anna. Love you. Hey, Songjun. I love you. Nirecord ko to kita mukha ko kasi mas maganda kung kita di ba mukha ko. I love you so much, and huwag mo kalimutan. I love you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.